try to solve this question 2. Question 2 says that the 8th term of an AP is 46, and the sum of the 8 terms is 200. Find the sum of the 12th term. Wow, this question is actually based on AP, that's arithmetic progression, and I've said it before previously in the class. So you can say that our AP, you can say the 8th term, that's 8th term, which is the same thing as T8, which is the same thing as A plus 7D. If you can recall this from Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 close bracket D. Now our n is 8, which means 8 minus 1 is 7. So T8 equals to A plus n minus 1, that's 8 minus 1 7 multiplied by D, so I get T8 equals to A plus 7D. Remember, this formula is very useful, so don't try to forget it at all. Okay, taking this away because I don't actually need it now. I don't have to find any term. So from here, I already know my T8 to be what? To be 46. And also they said, and the sum of the 8th term is 200. Remember, sum of 8th term of an AP. Now any term, if you want to sum it up, is always equals to what? N over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket D. Remember that this formula actually came from Sn equals to n over 2 into bracket first term plus last term, where last term equals to what we said earlier, that a plus n minus 1 close bracket D. So if I add this to this, to ordinary a, that will be 2a plus n minus 1 close bracket D. So these things, they are not things that are really hard like that. You don't need to cram them, just know the basic. So from here, they said, now this sum to n. But okay, let's say sum to 8. Now that's S8 will be equals to 8 over 2, which is 4, into bracket 2a. I don't know the value of a, so that's 2a plus, they said 8, sum of 8, that's 8 is, you say 8, n minus 1, that's 8 minus 1, that's 7d. Isn't it? Everything there equals to 200. Now from here, you can see that I have two different things. I have equation 1, and I also have equation 2. Which means this can actually lead to simultaneous equation, and can solve it simultaneously. You can say from equation 1, you can say a plus 7d equals 46, and also 2a plus 7d. No, it's not 2a, sorry. 4 times 2a, that's 8a plus 4 times 7d, that's 28d equals to 200. So from here, can I actually use elimination method? Yes, I can. I can make the coefficient of a to be equal. So I can say multiply equation 1 by 8 and multiply equation 2 by ordinary 1. So equation 2 won't change. So the value of a here will be 8. So 8a minus 8a, that's 0. If I multiply this by 8, I'm going to have 56. 56 minus 20, that's 28d equals to this times 8 minus 200. And I'll get my answer for D. From there, I can now solve it in any equation of that, any equation, maybe equation 1 or equation 2 to find my value of A. I'm already explaining simultaneous equation. You see me? So sorry for that. Time is going. Okay, from here I can say that 8 times A, that's 8A plus 8 times 7, that's 56d equals to then 46 times 8. 46 times 8. That's 368. Yeah, 368. 368. That's equation 1. Don't forget it. We only change it. We only transform it. Then for equation 2, we say that 8a is 8a plus 28d equals 200. From here I can say equation 1 minus equation 2 to find my what? To find my d, because coefficient of a are equal, hence it will cancel out. So 8a minus 8a is 0. 56 minus 28 should be 28d equals to 368 minus 200, that's 168. Divide by 2 by 28 by 28. 28d is 28, so d equals to 168 divided by 28. And that's 6. That means my common difference is 6. Now solve d equals to 6 in equation 1. Come back to this place. So this is the simplest equation. We say a plus 7d equals to 46. That means a equals to 46 minus 7d. So a equals to 46 minus 7d. That's 7 times 6. Then you can say a is then equals to 46 minus 7 times 6 is 42. Yeah, 42. This minus this is then 4. So a equals to 4. Then d equals to 6. Now from this that we have now, from this information, this question now is now very, very simple. You have killed the question. Now what is it we should find? We say we should find sum to, that's sum of the first 12 terms. Now how can I find? That means from me I just have to change this thing here towards, anywhere I see n, I'll just put what? I'll put 12. Which means I can actually take all this away. It's getting interesting. So if I take them away, I will only leave the value of a and d. Remember, what was the a that was there? A equals to 4, then d equals to 6. So for me, I can say that. For me, I can say Sn, which is one with S12 now. S12 equals to 12 over 2 into brackets, or parentheses, 2 into brackets. What's my a? A is 4 plus n minus 1, that's 12 minus 1, that's 11, multiplied by d. What's our d? D is 6. Then from here we are good to go. 2 here 1, 2 in 12 is 6. So I'll say 6 into brackets. 2 times 4, 8 plus 11 times 6, 66. And that then equals to 6 into brackets. 8 plus 66 is 74. And from here, 6 times 74, that's our final answer. 6 times 74. That gives me 444. 444. So the sum of the first 12 terms is equals to 444. And then that's all for question 2. I believe you understand question 2. It's not really hard.